Hey guys, how's it going? Today we got another cool horn to look at. So this is a Ferromex K5HL. Now this is an early K5HL with your two-piece Sandcast 1L. Like I said, it is Ferromex. Now Ferromex is the Mexican railroad. So really cool. You see a lot of them, you know, in the southern states. They do come up in the United States, but it is a Mexican railroad. And they have this color green horn. Now I did hear that this is their old color. I think they repainted everything, so now they have black. They painted over these with just black. So apparently this is kind of a rare paint color to have on a Ferromex horn. So really cool. Really nice paint and really good sounding horn. It sounds great. Of course the 2 is reversed as kind of always on these horns. That's how a lot of them run. All your BNSF stuff, they have the two reversed. But anyway, with the K5HL, of course, it's a 1L1, 2, a 3, and a 4. So really cool sounding horns. I think K5HLs are probably some of my favorite sounding K horns. I really like an LLA too, but I think a K5HL is kind of perfect in between a K5LA and a K5LLA. But anyway, I appreciate it guys. Y'all enjoy this. This is the Ferromex K5HL.